Hello everybody, today we're going to be making Layali Lebanon, which are also in English called Lebanese nights. This is a Lebanese dessert, and we hope you guys enjoy it because we definitely do. So, can we take a moment to appreciate how pretty this looks, by the way? I love this. This is like one of my favorite times my mom has made something look pretty. Anyways, we're gonna start off with 3 cups of whole milk in a pot. Make sure you stir that continuously so the milk doesn't burn. Then we're going to slowly add in a half cup of fine semolina. And keep mixing so there's no lumps. Then we're going to add half cup of healthy sugar, monk fruit sugar or erythritol sugar. And then it should have started to thicken like this into a nice cream. Now you can set it aside. And it should be a little bit thick. Now, these are the start. So this is like your plates for now. And you're going to set those aside in the fridge. And while you do that, we're going to prepare a new part, which is going to be a cup of healthy sugar again in a pot and 2 cups of water. And this is going to be the syrup. So this isn't going to burn, so don't stress about that, but we do want it to dissolve, so mix it around to get it to dissolve. And then we're also going to throw in an 1/8 teaspoon of xanthan gum. This is not does not affect the taste, it's just for the texture. I know it says 1/4 teaspoon here, but it's just an 1/8. We just don't have that small of a teaspoon. I honestly can't tell if it's falling into the pot or it's just flying away because she's just sprinkling it very softly. But yeah, go ahead and mix that to get it dissolved as well. It should start boiling like crazy about now. And now we're going to move on to using some Qashta, which is just thick cream. And you're going to place that right on top of the original cream you had just refrigerated. This looks really good too. I couldn't have this either. Oh, guys, don't go away for college. Just live at home so you can eat all of these desserts. Also, I love how my mom decided to make this channel the moment I left for college. Where was this my entire life? Literally for 18 years, where was this? We'll never know. But it's okay because I can make this for myself now. And then it's very traditional to coat it with pistachios at the end, and it looks really pretty. And then it's ready to serve. So there's the syrup. And yeah, it's ready to go. So we hope you guys enjoy making this dish, and we also hope and pray for peace in Lebanon as well, and that their nights will become very calm for them soon. And inshallah, everything will be okay. And we hope you guys enjoy making this dish, and tag us below for your creations. Happy Lebanese nighting! Bye!